Hey, this is going to be a step-by-step guide to changing DFI tokens to DFI-coin on the DeFi chain app. The reason we're doing this is to be able to send the DFI coin out of the wallet into another DFI supported wallet like Cake Wallet. So for example, if I want to send this one out, say I want to send this and I want to send to my Cake Wallet, which we have right here. We want to send 10 DFI just to make it simple. There we go. Double check. This is right. Always double check. Yep, looks good. Send. We get an error. Why is this? So the reason here is the wallet sums up both the tokens and the coins to make it user friendly. The problem is if you get balance, get balance, you can see this is the amount of coins we have. So we wanted to send 10, but we only have 1.5. And if we check how many tokens we have, we can use this command. So we can see here, so this is the amount of tokens we have, 966. So if we add these two together, 966 plus 1.5, we should have 967. If we check the wallet, yes, that seems about right. Go back here. So what we need to do is convert these tokens into coins here. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide, and I'm going to show you how. So first you got to do, second step here, we need to find the address holding the DFI. So you're going to use this code right here. Simply just copy and paste. And by the way, all the codes here are picked up from an awesome Reddit guide by a guy named DanielZirkel or something. I'll link that in the description as well. So I probably have to blur out my private keys here. So you'll get a few options depending on how many coins you have on here. But you're gonna do the one that says DeFi. It says key, and then my private key, owner, and that's a public address, that's the one we want, and then it says amount, so 961 for me. I'll take that address, I'll copy it down. I'll unblur now so you can see. So we're back here. So now, so I'll say my public address, probably two these there. It's this one. So it's supposed to be a space there, but that's my public address just for references. We'll go down here and we'll check all token on relevant addresses. Just say get account, and we'll paste this just for simplicity. Don't know typos. We'll use the same address here. So copy. Let's turn that off right, and then we'll do the paste right there. We'll see it. So that's the right one. That's the right one. And then we'll convert from token to coin. So this is the most important part. Just do this real quick. Bam. Okay. So now we have to paste this address in a few spots. So every place here it says address from above, we're going to paste it. And the Control V doesn't work, so we always has to use this one for some reason. But that's fine. It's early adoption, so we're going to live with it. And we'll just paste this one as well. And the last section here, DFI amount to convert, this is how much we want to convert. So let's say we want to convert, I don't know, let's just do 300, just like that. So we get a transaction hash here. So this one we can just go on the mainnet. I'll leave the link for this one in the description. No matching found. Oh, that's not good. Let's try again. Just probably have to wait. Okay, there we go. So you can see the transaction over here. And yeah, so you see that's how many DFI I want to exchange, and you have to, there's some cost, always some cost. So that's why it's important to have, you need to have some coins to pay for the transactions. In my case, I had get balance. Wait, see there you go. So now you can see I exchanged them, but you always need some. So I had 1.5 something. But anyways, it always costs something. So in case that you don't have enough, there is this option, which here's this one guide. You see send to address. So in case you have the DFI token and you don't have enough coins, DFI coins to make the transaction, you just send to address. You use the same address as here. Paste this one. And let's say you want to send. So this should be enough to make a transaction. You're going to send 0.1 DFI here. So you'll get another transaction fee right here. Transaction hash, sorry. You'll go on the mainnet, post the transaction. Just have to wait, blockchain stuff. There we go. And you can see I just sent a little bit to my wallet so I can make this transaction. So now when I want to go back to my wallet, I want to send this DFI to my Cake wallet. I just simply do send. And if you go back here to pool, so if you don't know where to find your, I'll just do this quick. So you find your wallet here on Cake. You hit deposit right there. And this is always there, right? Just copy this one. Just split the screen, type the address, double check. Let's see. And I want to send, so I want to send 300. That's the amount I exchanged. So let's see here. Yep, that looks right. Continue. And this you want to do double check. I already did, so I'll be fine. Complete send, transaction hash, and if you want to double check, in case it takes long, a lot of transactions, you gotta be patient, I guess. I was doing this too fast. Okay, come on. Yeah, let's try. It should be, no, yeah, perfect. Okay, then you can see 300 is unconfirmed. Once this says confirmed, we'll just wait a little bit. Yeah. We'll go back into Cake. So it should come right here in deposits. Just wait a little bit. Okay, so one confirmation right here, so you have to wait for several. But you should probably get something right here. Okay, so here we have 4 confirmations. You're gonna get probably like 16 or something. So once those are done, you can see here it's pending. So you can also see a transaction hash. It's the same one as you find right here. And now you just have to wait. And you can check your balance. It's already withdrawn. And once this is complete, I'll come back to you. Alright, so we're back here. As we can see, we waited for like probably 10 minutes or so. We have the 16 confirmations, and that should be enough for Cake to verify. And you can see I have the balance of 300 DeFi. It just came into my account. And now I can choose to stake it or whatever I would like to do. Liquidity mine or whatever. So I'm just gonna do staking here for the video's sake. So I'm just gonna go straight in with all my DFI shares. And just like that, I'm gonna stake my DFI for 37%. The fees here are a lot lower than on the Ethereum blockchain. If you go on gas price on Ethereum, you can see the price is a lot higher. Now it's not too bad, but usually you can get like a lot bad. And if you use the DEXs on Uniswap or something, you can get like prices to $25 or $30 for one transaction. While on the DEX here, it's a lot cheaper. So if you just want to switch DFI to USD, I mean, come on. It's a lot cheaper. Why not just use this one? In case you want to support my channel and get a referral link, you can get $30 worth of DFI if you use my referral. I'll post this in the description and make it highlighted on the screen. I'll post a link as well. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.